All right, guys. So I got my guy Dre here, man. He's one of our top affiliates right now. He actually runs one of the biggest rental car companies in Florida. And so him being able to go and actually refer clients, he was able to add another five to $10,000 every single month. I think last time I checked, you were making around $12,000 every single month just making introduction.
Yeah, definitely, man. I appreciate you, Abu. Definitely getting connected and tapped in with you. I was able to, help my mentees grow their business through the strength of you being able to get them funded. Even when their credit wasn't the best, wasn't the greatest, you're still able to make stuff work, removing disputes, putting in
Yeah.
disputes to remove negative items to now be able to get them funded. So it's just been a
All right.
great experience, helping out me, helping out our mentees, and it just like it's a everybody wins situation. So that's what I really like working with you.
100%, man. So like a lot of times we want to compete, but like collaboration is such a crucial part, right? Because now, as far as your mentees are like, as far as we get them funded, and so now your mentees can be able to go and actually get rental car, start to change their life. Perfect, Jay. So tell me about like the beginning, right? I know that me and you we actually met at a mastermind. So we met at a mentorship mastermind, and so it was like pretty cool just to get to know each other. But take me back when you first heard about us and heard that I was doing funding, and also like your experience like so far.
Got you. Yeah, definitely. As soon as we met, we definitely connected, man. That's when you first introduced me to the funding world. And a lot of times, people, even myself, I started business off of my personal funds, so I was really limited. And it's like if you make a little mistake, it's like you got to go back and try to get more personal funding. You got to work more harder. But with business funding, if I would have knew about when I first started, I'd have been way further than where I'm at now because you could get access to 50K much quicker than you could save 50K. So that's what you really helped me see. And then that's why I'll now leverage it. So off the strength of that, and now I could put so much people on to my mentees and everything like that. I could pass that down and let them know how to move the right way with going into business. So yeah, definitely been a great experience since I met you, since I got started with you, to be able to show me that way. And yeah, now I teach everybody that way. So it's definitely great. Appreciate it.
Absolutely, man. I'm glad to have you as one of our affiliates too, man. What was your biggest doubt? Like, as you know, people hear about funding, right? Like they're like, all right, man, this person got funded. They hear about it, but nobody really like sees it like, in the flesh, right? And
Mm.
so walk me through as far as your biggest doubts whenever you first came with us. What were you mainly skeptical about and just your experience throughout so far?
What most people think, like, all
Mhm.
right, this guy really getting people 50K plus in funding, and can
Mhm.
I do it? A lot of times you see stuff and it's like, oh, can I make it happen for myself, or am I in a situation to make it happen? Like the data points that you need to really be able to get the funding. So just from looking at somebody's profile, and if it's not in a position to get them funded, you know what you got to do to get them in that position. So it's not like you just go to you and it's like, man, I can't make it happen now. But it's like, all right, Drake, this is what we got to do to make it happen and get that win. And then we get it in place and get it going. So yeah.
You can't just like we gotta be able to like because one thing when somebody comes and gets funding right, but like a lot of times people don't necessarily know the right avenues because certain people want to get a loan and they don't even realize that 0% credit cards exist. So I'm glad you pointed that out. So walk us through like who was like your first referral? You don't have to like of course name names or anything of that sort, but what did they need? And then also how long did the whole process take and how did that be able to transform their life?
All he needed was a trade line that you was able to provide that was able to boost him up, lower his utilization, and get his age up just by adding that authorized user trade line. And then we was able to get him funded in less than 30 days. And as the referral, I was able to eat within less than 30 days. He was able to get funded and start getting cars to run his car running business all within less than 30 days. So it was really amazing. Like the process was smooth, the efficiency, you know what you're doing, you got everything, right in order now all over the place and organized, very organized and very smooth, to just get everything up and going quick so we're not wasting no time because the faster we get the funding, the faster we could flip the funding to actually start making income.
Remind me, like as far as like the first one we did, right? He had a little bit of a hiccup when we like applied for some grounds, and then he had a collection that popped off. Like,
Oh,
so tell him about that side of the story too.
oh yeah, definitely, definitely. I forgot all about that. All within that, and it's crazy because we still got done all within 30 days. But yeah,
Mhm.
originally when we was going to go for the funding, his credit profile was perfect. Like I said, all we needed is trade line, and out of nowhere, as soon as we started the process, boom, a collection popped up. But like within 7 days, you got that off, and he's like, "Don't worry, don't stress." Boom, and we was right back in the loop to go make greatness happen.
Because I know that he was like, we applied for a certain round, right? And then the collection automatically popped off, which anybody knows the credit. Like any collection can pop off, like a medical bill, like just an AT&T bill you even forgot about. But just being able to make sure you got a smooth sailing and just like an internal team that can take care of it really helps out a lot. So Dre pointed that out. As far as like so as far as the first client, do you remember how much you got approved for and what was your commission like? Cause
Yeah, my commissioner for that. He did so much about hold on 1 second, let me do the
let me tell
math
you the Stripe
real quick.
receipts. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I think mine is about 2K or something like that.
He just got paid 2K just by simply making an introduction. How did that change as far as like how you viewed the network and also as far as how powerful it was in order to be able to really just like just make an introduction? How like did you think that just make a simple introduction can lead to that or just kind of walk me through that?
Yeah, it definitely was. I had to really think because like it definitely was an eye opener. After that, I said, "Yo, I don't. I could just literally make referrals, do what I'm doing now, and just literally help
Mhm,
people succeed." And me just being that middleman, that one that's making a connection, making referrals, and make a whole nother income on the side of what I'm already doing. So yeah, it was an eye opener. I
mhm.
said, "Yeah, I got to take this and run with it. And we'll be going to the top." That's how I seen it. So I said, "Yeah, let's make greatness happen."
How much time did it take? Like, was it like as far as the time intensive from like your part?
What do you mean the time? Like referral time? What do you mean?
Yeah, just like sending over the referral, like from the time like you were able to send out, like how much work did you actually have to put and like the client get funded?
Really no work on my side. Literally, I just throw us in
Mm,
a group chat type of thing. Reach out to Abu, let him know I got somebody that's interested in looking to get funded. Boom, and then you
mm,
definitely took over from there. And then I know you just hop on a Zoom call and see exactly what their credit profile looks is looking like. Have them fill out a funding application, and then from there
mm,
you're making the connections with the right banks that they're looking to get
mm,
funded from. Well, that
mm.
you will recommend them getting funded from, and then boom, you're making the connections and is all happening. Usually, average is about a 30-day time frame, give or
Mhm.
take.
Absolutely. And Dre's been a top like affiliate, man. He's been constantly sending us business, drumming up business, at least 5 to 10 leads every single month. There's 5 to 10 like people that can really transform their lives. Walk me through like in your best month, like what was your like your best commission? So I could also check it too, but just kind of want to hear from you.
1 month, I know we always did 20K. So yeah, it was something like that. But yeah, it's definitely great, man. Definitely, and it's not been my main source of income, but just to have that coming in on the side, and I'm not putting in any work, just referring, is definitely a blessing.
And so walk me through, like, because I know that like you refer clients, right? And so a lot of clients that you're actually working with are going to be in getting to the rental car company. How has that like really transformed your business and being able to like also be a value add to your clients as well?
It makes me look so good. So not really the money aspect. It just makes me look so good. So now I have so much more to offer in my program with a lot of people that come in, and it's like this rental car game is definitely great, because I teach people how to come in with little to no money, buying $3,000 cars and making average $1,400 a month off of these $3,000 cars. So within 2 months, you see your profit. And everything after that is profit. With 2 months, you see your money back, and everything after that is profit. But a lot of people say, "Hey, where am I going to get this $6,000 to get a car or two?" So now, when I show them the other way, like, listen, you could get business funding. You're getting 50K plus. You could take half of that, go get some cars, and still have half of that just to sit down and do whatever with.
Mhm,
And so it
mhm,
makes me look great. It makes
mhm.
them, be able to get their income that they need to buy these cars, and then I still make money on top of that. So it's just like it's literally just works out great where everybody's winning, like I said.
And he just makes a simple introduction, guys, and he's able to go ahead and like be able to help transform these like these people's lives. Because a lot of times, like even me and you were talking about this, right? Is that people get funding, but most people don't know what to do with the funding. So whenever you start to like actually know what to do with the funding, you have a mentor like Dre that's leading you along, helping you get the fund and get the not only get the funding, but also get the rental cars and know exactly, hey, I made all these mistakes. Let me show you exactly what not to do, right? And so, what is like after you get the funding, right? Can you walk me through like an average fund, like how much start generating as far as rental car company compared if they would have to wait, sit here and just like work about 5 to 10 years just to save up the capital?
Yeah, 100%. So I tell everybody,
Mm,
honestly, with this rental car game, you don't need luxuries or anything like that.
mm,
You literally get six cars, cash cars, average $3,000, and you can be making six figures because each car runs you about 14, brings in about $1,400 a month on average. So if you have six of them, that's $8,000-9,000 a month, and then you're making six figures after that. So
Yeah, yeah. So like after they get funding, like as far as like when they invest into the rental car company, what's like the average return on investment? Let's say they get $20,000 of funding, right? And they go ahead and invest into the rental car company. Like how can they turn like how much do they end up returning back?
$20,000 in funding. Let's say use 15,000, you get five cars. With
Hmm.
$15,000, yeah, you're making, average about $8,000 a month over them five cars. So now you could take that money, pay back your funding because within, 2, 3 months, you have that $15,000 that you use to actually go purchase the cars, pay
Hmm.
back the funding. So you don't have to worry about any interest after the 12 months. You're paying back off in 2 to 3 months, and then you can still even run more
Hmm.
plays and go out and keep accumulating more and then just be able to run up the bag quick, fast. But yeah, you just see the profits so quick in this, and then you're flipping the money, and then you're just keeping it rolling.
So anybody who's really curious, right, as far as like they're on the fence of becoming an affiliate, right? They don't really trust the business model. They don't really like know that somebody's going to be able to get funded. What would you say somebody that's potentially looking to be able to come and become an affiliate with the company? What would you tell them as far as your experience?
Honestly, the biggest thing, and it holds a lot of people back thinking you could do everything yourself. You need a team. You need help. You need guidance, and somebody who's been there is doing that is going to be able to speed up the process much more quicker than you trying to go out and learn and do everything yourself just to keep
Mm.
a full grape. It's like, I'd rather 50% of
Yeah.
a watermelon than 100% of a grape. So somebody
Uh,
has the success already, they have the connections, they have the bank reps, everything they need, and then you could just make money just by sending them and they're doing all the work, and you still could live your life on your own terms and do whatever you want to do. I'd rather that than me having putting all the work for myself. Now I gotta build this from the ground up. And it's like it's just when somebody has already has a team in place, it's just so much easier just to feed them and then have them feed you in return. And you could grow much quicker like that rather than trying to do everything yourself. And that's what I recommend, man. Definitely get tapped in with our boo if you're looking to grow this quick fast. But if you're looking to move slow and take your time, I guess do it yourself. But if you're looking to move fast,
mhm,
man, get to the bag quick and not waste no time, not waste
mhm.
no stress, be overwhelmed or anything, definitely get tapped in with our boo and become an affiliate.
Yes, sir. No, 100%, man. And just be able to be a value add because, like, you expertise at a car rental business, right? And like you being able to like, offer that to your clients has been able to make them so much money, change so many of their lives. So I'm glad you become an affiliate, man. One of our top affiliates here, Dre. I really just wanted to have this discussion with him today, just because I see a lot of people they want to become an affiliate or they're very on the edge of it, man. Stop waiting. All you have to do is make a simple introduction, add $5 to $10,000 to your bottom line just by being able to send out a text. So man, Jay, I appreciate you, man. Any final words you want to leave the people, man, with?
Yeah, whatever y'all want to do, man. Like I said, business funding is the way to go to start your business. Don't go off like how I moved with personal funding. And car rental business is an easy, simple strategy with these cash calls. You don't need any luxuries or anything like that. Get these cars for 3K and you make
Mhm,
average 1,400 a month off of each car and just continue to run it up.
mhm.
Invest in assets and allow your assets to pay for your lifestyle. So that's really what it is.
Rental car mentor, man. Definitely hit up Dre, man. He's one of the best out here in the game, man. So let's get this turned up, man. So I appreciate you for joining the call today, Dre.
Appreciate you, bro. Have a blessed one.
Yes, sir. Safety, brother.
All right, safety.